Hey guys, what happened is I bought this Hyundai and the problem with it, it has a knock in the motor. And what I'm gonna try today, I'm gonna try to see if these additives like Lucas and Ceratec, Liqui Molly, these, if they actually work. I bought this and this, I'm gonna add both of them. First I'm gonna add Lucas, then I'm gonna add Ceratec. And I want to just see if it helps, you know. First things first, let's start the car. I'm gonna show you how. Yeah, it's very dirty. Guess you can hear it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a bottle of Lucas, and we'll see if something helps or not. Okay, so I'm adding Lucas. You can see it just in the crankcase, little by little. And after this, I'm gonna start the car, make it work a little bit, and see if it helps. If not, I'm gonna add the Ceratec. Okay, Lucas is in the house. Okay, I'll let it run for maybe a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna add the Ceratec. Alright, 5 minutes later, same sound, nothing changed. Okay, so I'm gonna get this thing. Okay, how it looks. Liqui Molly, and I'm just gonna add it to the crankcase the same way I did with the Lucas and see if it helps. Alright, it's in. I'll let it run, and we'll see. Maybe something's gonna happen in a couple of minutes of working. Alright. Okay, so maybe 5 miles later, I drove it. As you can see, it's very, very quiet. And let me rev it up. Okay. It's not squeaking, but yeah, you can clearly hear that it's still knocking, but it's, you know, as you can hear, it got way better. So, you know, this is it, you know. It might help. I'm gonna still try to run this car for maybe half an hour and see maybe if it goes away or maybe it's not. Alright. Okay guys, so So I drove it on Lucas, I drove it on Ceratec, and this is how it sounds now. Sounds good, right? Okay. So the actual problem was a pulley. Okay, so I took the belt off, and the pulley fell off. So I took it to my mechanic. My mechanic changed the pulley. So why I'm saying this is, before you put any additives to your motor, just take it to your mechanic and make sure it's not the pulley which is making the sound, and that is just the pulley, not the engine. All right. So I hope this helps, and you can learn from my mistakes. Before pouring in $40 into the crankcase, just take it to your mechanic, ask him to take the belt off, and see if it's actually the pulley or the motor. Okay, bye.